from here with the Ranger. It's been about 3 months since I bought it, and now I got the computer, got the key, everything is programmed, computer program, keys program. So we'll have to try it a little bit more, and well, let's see if it'll start, right? Let's see if it starts. Neutral. Let's see. And there's still nothing. I don't think I hear the starter relay click. We should hear like the starter relay click. Yeah, we'll see if you can hear it. Should be able to hear the click of the fuel pump, and now I'll try to start it to see. Alright, so this is over. I'll just jump start it from the relay. So you need to find 30 and 87. Let me put it on. I just bend it. Want to make sure that you are in neutral, because a truck will run. That's what I think it should. Let's see. It doesn't even crank still. Man, I thought this would start it. Maybe this is the computer relay, the main power. Let's see. I'll put it off. Let's see. Oh shit. This is the computer memory relay. It doesn't seem to be corroded. Seems fine. Let's put it back. 56 clutch solenoid, no. Full starter, 49. I've been reading this wrong then. I thought this was for the 4-liter, but apparently it's for the 3 and 4-liter engine. Right here, boys. Boys and girls, my bad. 49. This one then. This was actually the PCM. Let's remove this one. And still see the check engine light. So this should crank it, right? Hold on. Let's see. Huh. I don't know what's going on now. No lights turn on now. Oh, I had it off. Let's see. It should start now. Alright, I think now this is working. I think everything related to the ignition is working now. Because, I don't know if you heard, but when I jump started right here, I'll just let those like a spinning noise. You said it took a little while to come back. It's because I was actually on other projects, and I found an issue. So look at this fuse box. You may say, well, it's a normal fuse box, right? And compared to this one, you see something different? These are missing. And these somehow, the fuse box still shows them. This is actually the cover for 2001. So I was following a fuse diagram from a 2001 Ranger over here online. You can see here, they're not at the bottom. And look, it says 2001 to 2009. So that sucks. That's why you were seeing me jump starting relays from the PCM and from the fan. And having no crank, no nothing. That's why. So now I actually found the relay for the starter, which is right there. And ta-da, a new one. So that's perfect. Just got it, just put it today. And yeah, this is the wrong one. I don't know why. This is a 2002, and I don't know why it has 2001. I don't know why Ford left the 2001 diagram on a 2002. Even though the fuse boxes are a little bit different, this is always a huge pain to put back. Let me come back. So now, guys, now that that is sorted out, let's see the moment of truth, right? That's what we all are waiting for. It's been 3 months, and now we got it. We got it. Okay. Alright, where's the key now? Right here. We lost about a day for playing around with the wrong fuse box diagram, neutral. Alright, let's see, guys. No way, dude. It runs. This is crazy. 3 months. Started up as if it was nothing, man. Let's close the hood real quick. Yeah, man, this is amazing. Let's try out the fog lights, shall we? Look at the interior. Pretty nice, right? Alright, let's get a try of the fog lights. The fog lights work. Nice. Nice. Alright, that's the radio. Oop. Let's find a station. It works. I don't want to get copyrighted. Let's see the heat. Well, I just turned it on, so I'm not expecting anything cold. Oh, no way. Is this thing actually hot already? It's already hot here. That's good. That's good. These seem to be dead. Right here, the lights. The oil pressure gauge is kind of funky. It's just not there. Temperature works. Gas, I don't think it works. RPM. I'll have to take it out on the road to give it a nice test drive. But hey, I can't believe it, guys. It's running. This thing runs. In 3 months, it's finally over. It runs so nice. The project took quite a while. I'm gonna say 3 months. That's quite a bit, but that's mostly because of the snow and waiting for the computer to ship. So let me turn it off. Let's see. Alright, guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm very excited. Finally, it's almost done. As you can see, they still need to put the fuses for the brake lights, because they are. I don't think I've put the fuse for the brake lights yet, because I was doing the wiring, so I'll have to check them out. I'm pretty sure I only need the fuse to put it back, and they should work. Or just check out what's up with them. Shouldn't be a big deal. But now the engine runs. That is amazing. I'm so happy. I was just putting everything here. Was trying out with the ignition, and had a bunch of my stuff. The scan. Stay tuned for more content. I have quite a bit that's coming. I have 3 new projects. So I can't wait to show him right here on the channel, and maybe we'll get another one soon, maybe. But right now we at 3. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's been really nice to do this. It was a pretty simple fix actually for me, but yeah, it took 3 months, but it's done. So I see you next one. Have a good day or afternoon, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and subscribe. See you in the next one.